Do you want to know how you can uninstall Bing AI or Bing from your phone? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can uninstall Bing AI or Bing. Go ahead and locate Bing which is on your phone. Now the first way to uninstall Bing is tapping on it and clicking uninstall. Press OK and Bing will be uninstalled. The second way is locating Bing, tapping on it, going to its settings. Now you can see the uninstall button on the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and click uninstall and press OK. This way you can see that Bing has now been uninstalled from your phone or your device. This was a video on how you can uninstall Bing AI or Bing from your phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.